Back up. Going for the box I can't even see. All I'm doing is down here holding the kayaks together. I swear if this ain't breaks. Did you get it? Yeah. Had it.
Closer though.
Had a job and I lost it.
Yeah, what's up? A little bit closer though.
Hey, closer's closer.
Oh, flip.
I'll be. Dude, nothing in here is wet.
With a jerk bait.
Catch of the day. Alright, well, yeah, nothing in here is wet.
Yeah, really? There's no moisture or anything?
There's moisture, but everything's dry.
Alright.
For the most part, only moisture is in on this bait. Alright, hold on. This wind's screwing me up right now. Hey, what you doing? You said what? Well, I got my box back. Brandon got it for me. Not a single bait is wet.
Wow.
He used my jerk bait to hook onto it and get it over here. Yeah, neither one of us had to get in the water.
Where was it? Was it the same place?
Yeah, exact same place to the left. What in the world you got that for?
I don't know, it's cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, I wanted to call and let you know. Alright, well, I hate to call and just talk to you real quick and let off here, but I'm going to help Brandon get back in his kayak.
Okay, I'm glad you found it.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
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 What happened?
I kind of lost my foot.
Alright.
Ran over here.
Yeah, yours is a lot more steady than mine. Alright guys, so really excited to show you this. I did my creek fishing adventures. I did that in the kayak I had. Pretty good kayak. It wasn't as stable as I like, so I actually traded it and some other things to get me this new kayak that I'm going to show you, and I've already put an upgrade on it, or attempted it, and I'm hopefully going to see how it works. I'm testing it here in just a little bit. So without further ado, here's my new kayak. It is a Ascend H10. Can't wait to use it. The H stands for hybrid, 10 is the 10 foot. That's where my seat goes. Now here is what I added into it. I made these outriggers. Hopefully I'll be doing more tournaments and I will be able to stand up with this really easy. Hi kitty. You like the kayak? But this is going to be the kayak. I'm going to start filming and stuff in, hopefully a lot more. To me it just looks like a much better kayak than what I had. So the trick behind this, I'm going to show you all the little ins and outs of it. So I've got it held down with these brackets. This is 1-inch PVC pipe. That's a 1 1/4 inch bracket that I kind of pinched together so it holds it firm. I put holes through it, put these U-bolts along this so it don't move back and forth. This rig that I made is completely detachable. That way you can still throw it on top of a car. You got to get tight space, you can. It's got a 45 right here. This is a marine fender, also known as a buoy. The 90s going to it with these bolts. Let me just show it to you. Alright, it's got these bolts on the bottom side holding that hole in, and it goes into the lid right here. So I'm really hoping this works. The reason this is not glued in right here is I've got to make sure that I've got to get the right length so that this sits in the water without being too deep, putting a lot of strain on this. I put this couplet in the middle. I'm not going to glue that in. That's how you're going to take it apart. And once you take these U-bolts out, this will slide right out. So I'm fixing to take it apart. And test it. So I actually record myself taking it apart so you can kind of see how it works. So here we go. And it was that simple. Comes apart fairly easy. See, I'll show you some stuff that I didn't show you a second ago. Only thing I had to really do was, I didn't have to, but I put notches in the kayak so that my PVC pipe sits in there very easy. You gotta be really easy doing that, because like on this side, I went just a little too far and cut all the way through, but it still holds it really well. All I'm gonna do next is get some sandpaper, maybe sand those down a little bit, make it a little more smooth, not as rough looking. All in all, I've not even been on this kayak yet. I like the way it looks. I like the way it sits. It sits a lot more sturdy, I feel like, than my other kayak. So we're going to head to the water and get in. It is pretty chilly, so I'm really hoping that this thing don't have a leak. Because like I said, I've never had it in the water. But if it does have a leak, then we'll fix it and go from there. Hopefully this will be the best kayak I've ever had, maybe the last one I'll ever own. So, because I got a lot of plans for this thing, so let's get in the water, guys. Alright guys, so forgot to do the video at the water. All in all, really happy with the kayak. I was able to stand up. All the things I was really looking for and something I want to do like tournaments and stuff with. But now that I got it home and off the top of the car, I'm going to show it to you what it looks like with everything on it. Now the outriggers will be painted. Probably gonna work on that here in just a little bit. So here we are. So it's definitely an upgrade from what I had. Like I said, I enjoyed it a lot more. I'll be out on it a lot more, that I like it more. It's a lot more sturdy. So I did be shooting more videos on the kayak. I got some more mounts and stuff to buy for my GoPros and stuff like that. So if you guys like the videos, leave us a like, subscribe if you want to see more. And you ever see me, hit me up. Let's go fishing. See you in the water, guys.